Hello, Jason Hennessey here. Super happy to be talking about a subject that I love, SEO, not just any SEO, honest SEO. And guess what? Who's that good looking guy in the back, right? So that's me. I wrote this book and I wrote it so that you could get it and read it and get a lot of the wisdom, I guess, or a lot of the mistakes that I've made over the 20 years and learn from that through some of the shortcuts in this book. We're reviewing chapters. Right now, we're talking about chapter 10, which is basically the foundation of any SEO strategy. And that's truly the technical aspects of the website. This chapter is focused more on the technical aspects of again, the website. There's a lot of illustrations. We have to make a boring subject like technical SEO at least fun to read. And so this specifically tells you, what are some of the technical problems that you should be concerned about, like crawl depth inefficiencies, cannibalizing pages, duplicate content, broken links, crawl errors, right? Slow page speed, mobile accessibility, right? It's like bringing your website to a mechanic and getting them to lift it up and tell you what's wrong with it, right? So I teach you, what tools you should be using and what are the important things that you should be looking at fixing. Then it talks about step-by-step on how to do a technical audit, some of the things. A lot of times people don't even realize that there's 4 different versions of your URL that you might not even realize, right? You've got an HTTPS version, you've got a non-www version, you've got a www version, right? So you have to tell and designate to Google that this is the official canonical version of the URL. A lot of times people don't even know that. They've got like multiple versions of the URL, right? So stuff like this, like a lot of the mistakes that we've made in the lessons that we've learned, I try to put this into this chapter from a technical aspect of looking at it. So if you think that this is something that's important to you or somebody on your team, I highly suggest that you pick up a copy, read it, send it to that person. And I hope that you truly rank higher in Google, get more business, get more leads, and hey, maybe treat me to a drink next time you see me. Honest SEO. Pick it up. The link is below.